you love chocolate and banana, then this is the best banana bread you will ever have. Chocolate chips and cocoa powder will give your banana bread a deep chocolate flavor. And of course, we're going to use Baguio vegetable oil, the pure coconut oil. Let's preheat the oven first to 180 degrees Celsius. And we're going to use the heat from the bottom element. Let's begin with the dry ingredients. Add the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and baking powder. Whisk everything together. Set it aside. Next is the wet ingredients. Add the mashed bananas. Melted butter. It will give our banana bread a great flavor. And mix until everything is well blended. Let's get our dry ingredients. And add it to the wet ingredients. Mix until well combined. Add the chocolate chips. Pour the banana bread mixture into the loaf pan. Sprinkle the remaining chocolate chips on top of your banana bread. Bake this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Let it cool down for 5 minutes.